Hello everyone, welcome back to UNC YouTube channel. Okay, in my earlier episode, I did share a new project launches, gated and guarded community landed, but both are located in mainland. So I did receive some PM asking me what about Penang Island. For those who work in Bayan Lepas area, they are also looking for a gated and guarded community to live in, where this project qualifies under the recently announced HOC, which stands for Home Ownership Campaign, which means the buyer do not need to pay for the MOT stamp duty. Okay. Here, I would like to bring to you one of such project, which is the final piece of exclusive housing estate at Desaria, located in Sungai, developed by reputable developer IOI. Currently, this gated and guarded community has already been completed, CCC handed over, but there are still few units remaining by the developer. It took me quite a number of hours for me to go through and put everything together, and here I bring it to you, the gated and guarded community, the final piece located in the housing estate of Desaria at Sungai. Okay, the name is Stramax Residences. Before I dive in, as usual, please do give me a thumbs up, hit on the like button until it turns blue. It will help very much in the YouTube algorithm to bring this video to share to as many people as possible. Okay, let's dive into the video right now.
Stramax Residences, a gated and guarded community living brought to you by IOI. It's the final piece of garden terrace in the exclusive of Desaria housing scheme. Stramax Residences is located along Jalan Kenari within the established township of Sungai, Penang. This development comprises 85 units of 3-story terrace, 22 units of 3-story townhouse. Stramax Residences enjoy a strategic location that puts amenities and conveniences at one's fingertips. Stramax Residences provide security and private community, 24 hours CCTV surveillance and guard patrol 24/7. Clubhouse with facilities such as swimming pool, gym room and community hall. Stramax outdoor facilities are children playground and reflexology, basketball court, picnic area, outdoor gym, landscape garden and pavilion. Pristine landscape and exclusive view of the Penang Second Bridge. Stramax Residences reflects a contemporary design, quality finishes and creative space utilization. There are 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms for type A, spread throughout its level, all well laid out to suit modern living, whilst facilitating good natural ventilation, and lighting for a cozy living environments. Set on elevated high ground, you may oversee scenic view of the surrounding, while enjoy the fresh outdoors at landscape garden, freeing you to indulge in the calm environment with greenery. Stramax Residences is indeed a dream lifestyle in Green Haven. Call now to book a show unit viewing appointment with Ms. Yuan.